It's a dreary Wednesday morning, and I didn't get any sleep last night because I was up reading and doing homework for my classes. Did I mention it's 8 o'clock? And I went to bed at 2:30 last night reading and doing homework. We're off to an auspicious start to my back to school career here. First up is chemistry. It's 8 o'clock on Friday in the morning. I'm here at the computer lab at school. I realized I never finished what I was saying the other day on my first day. I'm trying to be quiet because I'm in the library. But first day for exercise science, we went into the lab and I saw a cadaver, and that freaked me out. That was like the heaviest day one ever. Did chemistry, did statistics yesterday, which is going to be a breeze. I have a chemistry lecture today, and then my first bio lab. And I just realized that I left my lab manual at home, so during lunch, I gotta go home and get it and bring it here. You live, you learn. I'm already back. Second class of the day, another 3-hour biology lab. Had chemistry this morning. Just wanted to touch base. That cadaver on Wednesday freaked me out. It was like an older lady. You just can't prepare for that, especially on the first day of school. The first day I've taken a class in like, I don't know, 8 years or something. Give me a break. Oof. Is it good? All right. Let's bite her. Bite her, Gabby. Get her. Get her. Let's get her. Come on, Gabby, let's get her. This is the sidewalk in front of our house.
They canceled school today because of the icy roads.
There's no school. Now we're just trying to walk. You can see my wife sliding around. Elena doesn't know what to make of it.
She says, we're ice skating.
I almost missed that. All right.
It's okay. Joe, you can't walk on that. You have our baby. Sean. No. It's okay.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Yeah, I'm holding the baby right now. Not terribly smart on the ice, but we're making do. Luckily it warmed up, but just to give you an idea, that's what we're dealing with. Just sheets of ice on the cars. That's my windshield. Actually crazy. I'm glad it's warmed up and it's actually melting a little bit. Michigan weather, what are you gonna do? Whoa, yeah, I am.
Oh yeah, check our moves.
They're playing ice skating with the colored plates.
Yes, 'cause we making a rainbow.
But the fun part is that they get to eat off of them later.